Well, hello adventure bike riders. Today I'm opening the new ALTRider foot pegs for the Harley Davidson Pan American. Let me be clear, I am in no way sponsored by ALTRider or Harley Davidson on these products. So that being said, let's see their product. And so here it came in this package, bubble wrapped. Pretty nice, and I've already opened it, but and here is the box. ALTRider, their products, I have their highway pegs on my Pan American, which I'll do another video walk around of my bike. And I'm quite pleased with the quality of their stuff. Is CNC machined. It's very, very, very good. I think these things cost me right around $100 plus $200, right around there. The prices are reasonable, but the quality is incredible. So anyway, that being said, we'll open the box. I'll open the box and we'll start looking at it. I gotta learn how to make coffee. Okay, here's the box. And so, open it up. And that's how it comes packed. It's impressive. It's a kind of a hard foam rubber, and so we'll pull that out. Here are the screws that go into the foot pegs, your cleats, you might call them, and they're made out of stainless. And I pulled one out of the bag, but I don't want to lose it. But you can see that, well, let's see if I can get one. Maybe that'll work. You can see that it has little notches around it, but they're not sharp. They're not going to tear up your shoes. Like some of them, they're pointy, they're sharp, and they tear your shoes up real quick. So these won't, but they're still going to have a good grip. And I guess if you wanted to get different ones, they might make them put those into your foot peg, but I'm going to use those. So let's take a foot peg out, and here it is. I'm going to move this box. There you can see it. Really nice, real nice machine. It's wide. It's made out of aluminum, and it's just, they make really quality stuff. Let me get a tape measure. We'll measure it. I don't know if you're going to be able to read this. It's 5 inches this way, and two and a half this way. So that gives you a nice platform to stand up on, and they're light and really, really well built. Let's open up the little box. Oh, they give you some blue Loctite that's removable for the cleats, and this is all your spring hardware that's going to go on your bike and connect the foot peg to the bike. And it's all stainless, except for the springs look like they might be steel, but the rest of the hardware is stainless, so it won't rust. And so here's the other peg, and here's the other peg. Really nice. And so I can't wait to put them on the bike, and that'll be my next video. This is my first video, by the way. If any of y'all have any comments on how to do this, let me know in the comments. The next video will be installing these on the bike, and I'm going to do a video. I'm going to walk around on the bike. I do all the work myself on the motorcycle, except for oil changes and stuff like that. It's a 2022 Pan American. And warranty wise, I take it into Harley, let them do their mileage checkups to keep the warranty active and not invalid. See you on the next video.